What's up guys, Matt Laidlaw here, coming to you from Laidlaw's Harley-Davidson. So I wanted to jump into a topic today, and that is denim paint. I get asked a lot of questions about denim paint. What people want to know how to properly maintain it, how to care for it. I get asked a lot of questions about my personal bikes and why I chose the denim paint. There's a lot of misconceptions about this paint finish and process that you can get from the Harley-Davidson factory now. And so I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about the proper care and maintenance of the denim paint, kind of the pros and cons when you compare it to a regular gloss finish, try to squash some of the misconceptions about this paint finish, and kind of show you guys an example of a denim paint that hasn't been taken care of properly and one that has been taken care of properly, and kind of show you the differences between the two. All right, so I'm going to show you an example of a denim paint that has been well maintained, and I'm going to show you guys what a denim paint finish looks like that hasn't been well maintained. So first off, I'm going to start off with what I primarily use to clean my bike in a pinch, or if I'm just doing like a quick little spot cleaning, I use the Harley-Davidson Denim Paint Cleaner. The big thing to look out for, guys, if you're doing just kind of your spot washes and cleanings, if you use some type of aftermarket product, or a lot of times people will use like their car products, what you want to really make sure is that you're not using any type of wax-based products on your denim paint. What that does is it's going to shine the paint up, and I'm going to show you just a second what that looks like on a bike if the paint gets wax on it and gets shined. So the denim paint cleaner, it's pretty much safe on every surface. I wipe my engine covers with it, my windshield with it. You can pretty much wipe anything you want with it. If I have my bike out on like a long road trip, or it just generally just gets really dirty over time, I'll use just a basic soap and water to do a big cleaning on it. And you know, a lot of times you can just use, like Harley has like quick wash products that you can just put in a big bucket of water and wipe the whole thing down with. Or what I sometimes use in a pinch is like Dawn dish soap, will work just fine. It's safe on these surfaces as well. But for just like your spot cleanings, because you can't wipe your bike down, you can't do a full wash every time you ride your bike, the denim paint cleaner is great for just doing spot cleanings here and there. So let's move over to this bike. This is a denim paint that has not been properly maintained, and hopefully the camera picks this up, but you can see pretty clearly that the paint has kind of like this shine to it. It's like this slippery shine coating on it now. And this is what you don't want. So, and maybe get a shot down here as well. This right here on the side cover, you can see that it's totally shiny. Like you can barely even tell on that side cover that it was denim paint. And you know, obviously those of us that buy denim paint, you want to keep that rough texture to it where it looks really flat. And you don't want like that shine to it. So what this person probably did is, maybe they had a wax, they decided to wax it, or what probably happened, like I already mentioned, they probably had some type of a bottle cleaner that maybe they used on their car, like a wax-based spray, and they sprayed it on there and did like quick wipe downs every once in a while. And so yeah, you definitely want to try to avoid that. A couple other things about denim paint. A lot of people ask me, okay, what are the pros and cons of it, and how hard is it to maintain and keep looking good? For little stuff and your day-to-day stuff, I think the denim paint is actually easier to maintain than your regular gloss paint for a couple reasons. I have no problem spraying the bike down and wiping it with a rag no matter how much dirt is on there. Whereas on like a black bike that is a gloss paint, I never want to do that for fear that I'm going to put those hairline scratches in it. Denim paint never has hairline scratches. That's probably one of my biggest pluses or pros about the denim paint. The little everyday stuff doesn't show, and so it's actually a very durable, very tough paint. It won't get any of those scratches. Some of the negative things about the denim paint: one, if you ever do get like a deep scratch on it, let's say you drop the bike, or let's say you run it up against the wall or something like that, and you get a deep scratch in it, it's it's basically impossible to paint repair the denim paint. So a lot of times on Pro Paint, we can take a little bit of the paint, put it on there, and then buff it a little bit, and it looks pretty good. You cannot do that with this denim paint finish at all. Another thing is if you do get like maybe not a super deep scratch that requires paint, but a deep enough scratch that you can definitely see it. A lot of times on the pearl paint or the gloss paint, you can buff it out because of the real thick clear coat that Harley-Davidson's have from the factory. You can buff it out and it'll look really, really good. Whereas on the denim paint, if you get a moderate scratch on there, you cannot buff this at all. If you buff it, then you're probably not gonna get rid of the scratch, and if you do, it's gonna give it that shiny, glossy look to it, and it's not gonna match the rest of the paint. So for moderate to severe scratches, the denim paint isn't as good as the gloss paint, but for your everyday light stuff, which is what I experience 90% of the time in Harley-Davidson ownership, the denim paint is actually better and more durable. This is a 2018 Street Glide Special in Bonneville Salt Denim. This is the same bike that I personally own. And another thing about the denim paint is the reason why Harley-Davidson calls it denim is obviously because of that flat look, but also the denim paint over time will patina in a way that can be compared to a pair of jeans, and the way a pair of jeans will kind of change with wear and washings over time. It's not a big change, but for example, my last bike that I had, some of you may have seen it, I had a 2014 Street Glide Special, and it was the sand camo denim. And the sand camo denim bike, I noticed it did kind of change, like the hue or the color, the shade of that sand color did kind of change over time. That bike got traded back into the dealership, and I sold it to somebody else, and then I saw the shade of that color change even more. So on the lighter colors, especially like this white, I anticipate that this color will change a little bit over time, especially as it gets dirty, and then I wash it, and it's in the sun. But I will say too that the better you are about cleaning it, and especially these lighter colors, the better you are about cleaning it quickly after it gets dirty and not leaving it out and being exposed to the elements, it will look just as good as the day you bought it. I feel like my denim paint on both of my Street Glides has held up extremely well, but the shade does kind of change over time. Like I said, it's compared to like a pair of jeans. As you wash it, as they get dirty, as they rub up against things, they will kind of get their own character. So there's some oil or grease and stuff on this fender. So basically how I clean this up is you just spray it on liberally and just wipe it down. And another thing that you can use too in a pinch, if you don't have the denim paint cleaner, you can use Windex as well. Windex is kind of a hack for these denim paints. So if you don't have the denim paint cleaner, you're in a pinch, throw some Windex on there and it will clean it up as well. But I actually spend less time cleaning my denim bikes than I did. I had a gloss black, vivid black Road King. Some of you may have seen that bike. I spent more time cleaning that bike than I do these, just because the black, especially vivid black, everybody knows that it shows dirt really easily. And I also, wax that bike probably twice a year as well. Whereas these bikes, you save yourself time waxing. And it's funny, some people I know, they actually enjoy waxing their bike. And so if you're one of these people that really enjoy waxing and cleaning your bike, maybe denim isn't the best. But if you're someone that wants something a little bit lower maintenance, the denim paint is actually a lower maintenance paint finish than the gloss in the long run. So if you're one of these guys that just likes to ride and put it away and do minimal cleaning, I would almost recommend the denim paint over a gloss paint. And if you guys have any questions about the denim paint, or maybe you're a Harley owner that owns a denim paint Harley-Davidson, leave your comments down below and let me know how you like the paint. If I didn't cover something, maybe you have a fun fact that I didn't cover in the video, throw it in the comments section. If you have any questions, obviously leave them in the comment section as well. Thanks a lot, guys.